Let us be honest, money doesn't just randomly choose people. It's not about luck as much as people like to think. So many people wait for the right moment, the perfect opportunity, or so many kind of sign to start. But while they wait, nothing happens. Others act even when they feel unsure. They try, fail, adjust, and keep moving. Over time, this creates a gap. Not because one is smarter, but because one actually moves while the other hesitates. Another reason is how people treat money itself. Some see it as something temporary, something that comes and goes quickly. So they don't respect it, don't manage it, don't pay attention. Money doesn't stay where there's no structure. If you don't control it disappears. People with build income usually learn to track, plan, and think ahead. It's not exciting, but it works. And most people avoid it because it feels boring or restrictive. There's also a deeper layer. Many people don't believe they can handle more money. IT sounds strong, but IT shows up in small decisions. They avoid responsibility, avoid risk, and stay in situations that feel safe but limit growth. When opportunity appears, they doubt themselves and step back. Over time, this becomes a pattern. The truth is simple. Money tends to follow clarity, action, and consistency. If those are missing, results will be too. Anyway, hopefully gave you something to think about. Take care and see you around.